Good afternoon, children of class 10. Today I am going to conduct a different activity for you from the chapter life process. Here in this activity I am going to demonstrate that chlorophyll is present in the leaves and chlorophyll is soluble in alcohol but not in water. So you just watch the video and try to understand why should we bleach the leaf. In between the demonstration process I will make you understand, or I will discuss about why do we bleach the leaf and what is the importance or role of chlorophyll in photosynthesis and all these things. So let us start. So my dear children, you can see I put on the gas. Okay, let the water boil and then I will take a test tube. In this test tube I will take the test tube. In the test tube I will put some rose leaves. The rose leaves I will put here. I need some alcohol. Alcohol will do. So this is the alcohol. We should be very careful because alcohol is highly inflammable. So I cannot directly boil the leaf on the flame. It may catch fire because the boiling, the temperature at which liquid boils, that is the water boils, is 100 degrees centigrade, but alcohol boils much sooner. If I start boiling the alcohol along with the leaf directly on the flame, it may cause accident. So for prevention, you can see I put the rose leaf here, along with the alcohol. Let the water boil. Slowly and gently I will take out the hot water and then I will try to boil the leaf in order to take out the chlorophyll. Now the question arises, why should we take out or bleach the leaf for studying photosynthesis? So we can even do without bleaching the leaf, isn't it? So why should we do it? Now see, chlorophyll is a dark color. It is a green pigment. It's a dark color. Being a dark color, if we directly if we do not take the chlorophyll out, then what is going to happen? The blue-black color of the starch test will be hampered because blue-black color is also a dark color and the green color of the chlorophyll is also a dark color. So in that case, so what is the motto behind this experiment? Why should we bleach the leaf? Why should we bleach the leaf and take out the chlorophyll for studying the blue-black color of the starch test? Because you know that green color is a deep color. So the chlorophyll present in the leaves are deep color chlorophyll. So if we study directly without bleaching the leaf, the color, the blue-black color will be masked, or it will be masked with the green color. So for that reason we bleach the leaf. And moreover, there is another question, that why should we boil the leaf directly, not directly in the water but in the alcohol? Because the chlorophyll does not dissolve in water but in alcohol. So let's see. I think the water has already boiled. So let me take out it. You can see the water is boiling. And here is another hot water in which the test tube has been put along with the this test tube contain alcohol, inside which the leaves are here. So it will take time for the chlorophyll to come out and you will get the result very soon. So for that you need some patience. So students, you can see the alcohol, the color of alcohol is slightly changing. You can see here it is turning green, isn't it? Every activity need a lot of patience. because these are all time consuming matter. You cannot do hurry, and perfection doesn't come if you hurry for even a single step. So you need to maintain some precautions. Here come the main part of your activity, the precaution part, from which you often get questions that what are the precautions that you should maintain while like peeling off the epidermal layer of the tissues of onion, or suppose what are the precautions you need to take during the activity of photosynthesis for starch test, okay, in photosynthesis. So there are various type of precautions that you have to remember. So here what are the precautions likely to be? Can you tell me? Yes, that is, you should handle the glass apparatus with care. Even you can write down as you're working with fire, so you should be very much extra careful because you are working with fire, and even with alcohol. So as alcohol is highly inflammable and we are doing it with fire, so you should be very much careful. And what else? The chlorophyll should be totally bleached out of the leaf, okay? And we should wash the leaf after the bleaching has been done, so that a single drop of the chlorophyll should not be there adhere on the surface of the leaf. So these are the various type of precautions that you have to follow. So my students, you see, this is the chlorophyll, okay, that has been extracted out from that leaves that I have been boiling for some time. So let us bleach that entire leaf and then perform the starch test. So you can see the process is already on, bleaching is already going on. Here is the alcohol that has dissolved the chlorophyll. I've extracted some from the leaves. The remaining chlorophyll dissolved in the alcohol will be taken very soon, and then the bleaching process will be, the starch test will be done with the iodine solution. Even this activity has been done by you in class 7. As far as I remember, class 7 chapter 1, there was one activity related to the nutrition in plant. There you have learned this. See children, I am pouring the alcohol. You can see it, isn't it? Total green alcohol. The chlorophyll, you can see the leaves now. These are almost colorless, but I need to make it more colorless. That is, I cannot keep any amount of chlorophyll intact in the leaves. So you can see how much amount of chlorophyll has been extracted from the leaf. I need to pour more alcohol and do it again. So children, you see it is almost bleached. The leaf is almost bleached. The upper part is having some amount of chlorophyll. It's being 45 minutes long time. I need to take out this leaf and wash it in distilled water. Sorry, I need to wash it in the distilled water. I need to clean the leaf, and then I will put the iodine solution. Okay, and after putting the iodine solution, the leaf will turn blue-black in color. Let me do it. You can see the leaf, right? Well, children, see this leaf, this part is, you can see it is bleached and turned white. Let me soak the water, excess water, and perform the starch test. So here goes the leaves. You see, the leaf was green and now it has turned into pale, colorless. So let me put some drop of iodine. I am taking few drops of, need to break the seal. I am taking few drops of iodine and putting on the leaves. Hey, horrible. Let me show you the change in the leaves. See here. Can you see the blue-black color? Okay. The leaves will turn blue-black. Okay. The leaves are turning blue-black. That means starch has been produced by the leaves during photosynthesis in the presence of chlorophyll. That is the light harvesting pigment, the chlorophyll. So this proves that starch is produced during photosynthesis. So that's all was about the activity.